Seems legit.
Hey legitimates, welcome back. I am doing another haul. It is quite early in the morning, so I've snuck out to do this. I'm losing my voice, so ignore that. So if you want to do your own haul, you've got to download the app from Temu. You can get it on both Android and iPhone. And then there is all the details will be in the description down below here. And so then you can do your own haul. So we're going to start. This one is another crafting haul. I did more craft than sewing this time. And you will see all these things randomly pop up throughout my sewing life as well. And I'm going to try my hand at candle making. And if it goes all right, I'll do a video. Or maybe I'll do a video of me having a complete disaster. We could do that too. So with saying that, let's start with the first thing. So I've just got it in a pile next to me and I'm just going to pull everything out as I go. So thing number one, because I've always needed to own one of these and I just don't, is like a paper cutter. So this will help me cut down straight edges on patterns as well as all of my HTV to do shirts and stuff and stickers and stuff like that. Like I just think it's going to make my life so much easier. So I got one. So the links for all of these will be in order in the description, by the way. I'm gonna open it because it looks like it does like fancy stuff where things swing out and move, and I like that. Oh, okay. What have we got? Oh yes, you lift it up, put it under, and then just slice it. Cool. And it's got like points on there to do angle stuff. I haven't never really looked into these, but this does look like it's going to be super handy. So I'm quite excited about that. Next up, sorry for my voice. I don't know why I'm losing it. I don't even have a sore throat. It's just leaving the building. These I thought would be really, really cool, and I got these for sewing purposes. They're called hemming clips. They're solid metal, but they're quite long. So when we're trying to like clip things down more to the center of the bag, I thought these would be really handy, like to hold the Tory pocket on and stuff. So they come in a pack of heaps. I don't know how many there are. Let's count them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so there's 20. They've also got, and you won't be able to see this, but they've got markings. So it's got quarter, half, 3/4, 1, and they go up to 3 inches. So they're essentially just over 3 inches long. So they should be able to like hold things on. I will definitely be trying this throughout videos. So that's why I got them, to see if they're going to be like awesome. And then if you guys think they're awesome, you can go get them because the links are down below. Where am I going to put them? In another skull. Ta-da! I have so many skulls floating around this room now. It's just ridiculous. Alright, next up we have... Oh, a silicone mold. So this is one of the things you can use for like candle making and soap making. I mean, you can use it for both. So this is going to be flowers. You probably can't really see, but it's like 4 flowers stacked and then it kind of goes crooked. You can't really see that. It feels cool. It's quite squishy, but the walls are quite thick, which I assume is to stop it kind of bending out and going warped. So we're going to see how that goes. I've never done candle making or anything like that in my life. Who knows? I might suck at it. Very real chance that I'll suck at it. But sucking at something is the first step of being good at something, because at least you've tried. This is diamond dots. Ooh, and I got a few. Oh my gosh. Oh, this just got hectic. I've done like 1 little diamond dots before at a demo at Spotlight this one time. So we get 4 containers, so I'm assuming there's 4 here. A crap ton of diamond dots in like all different colors. There's so many colors there. I don't want to open them in case they go everywhere. Oh my god, So I got a very cute dragon. Oh, I got all the dragons. Look at these. How cool. Apparently I got I thought I was just getting one. I got 4. So I've got all these different very cool dragons. And they're all rainbow dragons. I could start like a set. Don't know where I'm going to stick them on my wall, but that's really cool. Okay, so this was a 4-pack. I thought it was just one. I thought I was just getting like a dragon. That's all very pretty. Which one's, I think that one's my favorite. It's the most rainbowy. Anyway, so you get 4 of them. So you get one little tray for each. And then all the colors look like they just come together. There's like a lot of different colors there. So again, I'm not going to open them. This would be really fun for the kids to do in the holidays, actually. I might even end up doing those today. That'd be fun. Alright, I'm going to put that in the tray over there. I ordered this a while ago, so I don't actually remember what's here. Oh, right. Teflon sheets. A lot of you guys have mentioned that instead of using baking paper, you use Teflon sheets. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to try it. I am all for new things and trying new things. Oh. Okay, so there should be like 10. So I've got heaps here. I've never used Teflon, so this should be interesting. Again, I'm going to use that in a video. I will do like a mini video and see how it goes. But you guys have highly recommended this to me a few times. So we're going to try it. And I've got heaps. So even if eventually I can't get all the glue off, we can just get a new one. Like the baking paper. I'm hoping this lasts longer than baking paper though. Because otherwise it would get more expensive. But again, I've never tried it. So we are all going to try it together in a different video. Okay, next. There's still heaps to go. I went nuts, as always. Okay, so this is a different flower trio. I think this one is more like a sunflower, I think. So it's got like all the little dots in the middle of the flower, which name I currently can't remember. And they've got 5 petals on those ones. Whereas these ones have like, I don't know, more like 12. So anyway, they're going to do the same thing and they'd look cute as like a collection. They'd look really cute as soaps, I reckon. Just have them standing there being like, play with me. Anyway. I like to try new stuff, alright? Gotta work with me here. Oh, so this I thought was really cool. It's just like an edgy thing. I had a few ideas for this in my brain. I was like, how cool would it be to do a tablecloth and have this like as whole pieces so that you can see through it? Because it's like a jute rope in between. So it's actually softer than I thought. So you could, if you wanted to, put that on a dress. I thought it was going to be a bit rougher and stiffer, but it's actually quite soft. So anyway, I think I've got a few rolls of this because I was like, let's go nuts and do something dramatic. It also could potentially look quite cute on a bag. So we'll see. Oh, I don't know why I'm losing my voice. Oh, this was really cute. So this is the resin. We are definitely going to try it. It's like a paw print container. So if they all work out, I might make a few. It goes this way. Duh. I knew that. So it would be like a really cute little clip container. So I want to try it because, you know, it could be fun. I might even go try that today. Because the thing is, I don't think I want to use UV resin. Because the thing with UV resin is the UV rays have to get all the way in. And if I was to do it in like black glitter, for example, black doesn't set in UV resin as well, I have personally found. So I definitely will be making this because I think it's awesome. And because let's try something new. You've watched me make earrings in the past, let's do something else. Alright, next up, more diamond dots. I got a couple of packets because I thought I was only getting the one, whereas I ended up getting 4 awesome dragons. So that's worked out well. Ugh. No idea what the picture is. Bear with me. A horse. Of course it is, right? It's red and blue instead of green, but that's still cool. Oh, but the tray's green. Yes. It's the small wins in life, guys. And then the packet of diamond dots. Again, I don't want to open this now because it's probably going to go everywhere. But how cool is that? I feel like diamond dots is quite therapeutic to just like sit and relax and keep your hands busy. Like I said, I did do it once before for like an hour or so, and at first it kind of annoyed me, and then I like calmed down and got into a rhythm, and it was quite relaxing to do. So I do see why people do it. These I actually got for bag making. That's probably not what they're for, but who cares? Nobody tells me what things are for. I'll make it up as I go. So it's Diamante gems in green and silver, and then in different sizes. So I am going to design a bag, and then we're going to use E6000 glue and put diamantes all over the bag so that they set forever. Have I picked the bag yet? No. But I have plans. Mentally, I have plans. Right? So you could get these in like red and blue and pink and purple and like a whole bunch of different things. A bit fun. I don't remember what I ordered, so every time I open it I'm like, oh. Okay, so this is like a pretty ribbon that was kind of in the same color family. So it's quite a thick weave, but it's got a nice edge on it. And it's just like roses. So I thought that would be nice for a strap. Or like a border on a tablecloth. I've got tablecloths on the mind, just if you can't tell. So I just thought it was pretty. It's like a nice, it could be a nice strap on a bag if I did like a rose bag. Oh, this looked fun. So in this one, more sparkles, guys. These are to make your own like hair clips. So again, it's resin. Clearly I was having like a resin moment. But we can make, you get the blanks. I assume that we put them in once it's like semi-set or whatever. But we can make really cool hairpin clips. So this would be fun. I've got a little girl staying with me at the moment. It's my mate's friend, or mate's daughter. It's my friend's daughter. So I thought this would be really fun. And they just send you a bag of gold sparkle. It's like sparkly flake type stuff. Does it look like actual gold flake? No, it kind of looks like chopped up. What's that sparkly stuff? I don't know. I mean, kids will still love it. It's still super sparkly. So you get you get 4 different molds, and then all the molds have different stuff. And then you get a whole bunch of like gold clips. And there's long ones and short ones for all the different sizes. So again, another resin moment. These ones I could probably do in UV resin because I've got all my pretty pearly stuff. So she can create her own hair clips. I will obviously be doing it too because I'm a big child and I love crafty things. Alright, so this I think is the second roll. Yeah, so this is the second roll. So I got 2 because whatever I ended up doing, like if I do a dress, I'd probably want to do it multiple times, so I need a lot. So I did end up getting 2 of those. Oh, this looked fun. You can make your own checkers. I was very clearly on a resin moment. So, it's like to make your own checkers, you know, like black and white checkers, like chess. But inside, it's got, in the mold, it's got like a crown imprint. So, I don't know if you can see that very well. But it's got like a crown indent. And so then you could like colour the top with enamel or something. Oh, I've done that one. Oh, I'm still going. Still got a few. I went a little bit nuts. So that's another one of those. Again, because I had a plan. Oh, this is cool. This was to make keys. UV resin keys. Which I thought would be really, really cute to hang off a Harry Potter bag. Like I mentally had a plan about this. So there's like a few little key things. A keyhole. an actual key. And I was like, oh, like that would be really cute. You just hang it off. You make it in like a bronzy kind of shimmery paste and then hang it off the bag. So I got that for that. This looks like it's actually meant to be, it's a different type of silicone. I assume this is probably more for like sculpey clay, but we're still going to try it with resin because I'm no good at sculpting anything. Oh, so this is like a container of mini containers because I really need all my little things organized a bit better. I know I got that other one. It was like a flowery shaped round one. It's not enough containers. So I now have more. A lot more. And I am mainly going to use that for all of the screws from all of the hardware because they're all different lengths. And these ones are like Tic Tac containers. So it's like one big container and then inside are like little Tic Tac containers. And I was like, okay, so that'd be handy if I've got like gems and stuff. Things like this. If I have a lot of these hanging around, this would be very, very handy. Or if I was to get the different colored rivets, you know, you can get them and they're like gems on the inside. I could separate all the gem colors to make it easier to find what I'm looking for rather than just have a big pool of multicolored gems. I like stuff more organized. I find it easier to operate like that. All right, so this is the last one today. And, ooh, no idea. Oh, no, I remember. You can make like a sun catcher. So this is a sun catcher diamond dots. Now I remember. So it's like a clear acrylic sheet that's cut out and then it's got the diamond dot placement on it. And then it's like a sun catcher shiny thing. I just thought that'd be fun to make. So that's my craftiness that I did this time. I concentrated clearly a lot on resin and like bordery stuff. But this is going to be fun. So I'm definitely going to go play with these probably today. I need to go buy resin because I really want to try out the dog bowl paw mold. I just think, like if we look at it, that's the size it'll be, mostly. Like it would be really cute to chuck some clips in. It does work. I mean, obviously they're probably more designed to be a jewelry box, but let's be honest, we like pretty things in our room. So, cute dog paw one. I like it. Alright guys, that is me all done. Don't forget if you want to get your own. If you liked anything in the video, it is down below in order. So first to last thing that we showed you, or I showed you. I'm a we today, apparently. It's fine. And yeah, so some of these you will see pop up every time I use them in a video. I will always link them for you. So yeah, happy shopping everyone. Bye.